So meron tayong tutorial paano mag-assemble ng Nami Klima. Shoutout kay Boss Jurin o Guren from Leyte. Magagawa tayo ng unboxing ngayon as well as assembly ng Nami Klima. Let's go. Tulong natin. Hi ka muna, boy. Hi. Ikaw, anong intro mo? Paano intro mo? So, shoutout sa editor natin, Jake. Gawan mo ng ASMR fast cuts. Let's go. So paglabas sa box, ganito yung itsura niya, no? So babalik rin namin ng ganitong status mamaya, no? Papakita lang namin sa inyo paano i-assemble. Okay, so paglabas ng unit, ganito yung itsura niya. So very basic yung mga gagawin natin. Yung tail light, install lang sa likod. Handlebar install lang dyan. Then tapos na tayo basically. Okay, we're gonna start speaking in English, okay? Everybody? Alright? Okay? We're gonna speak in English. Okay, this is for our friends that don't speak in Tagalog, okay? Let's do this. First step, open the box that is included. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you open please? Pretty straightforward. Let's open this, remove this, and then take this out. This is a toolkit that will help you to assemble the unit. Am I right?
Yes.
Am I right? Yes. Okay. So open the toolkit. Can you kindly open, please? So once you open the toolkit, it has several parts. This is the toolkit, the Allen toolkit, and this one is for the handlebar. Okay? Okay?
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So another one, if you're gonna assemble, look for this. Okay, this is for the handlebar also. So you have the. Okay, we will open this to show you guys. So let's open this. Okay, we will show you everything so we can assemble it properly. These are the everything we need. Okay, this is for the handlebar cover. These are for the axle cups right here. We show you how to install them. This is for the dashboard. Hey, my friend, can you point the dashboard? That's the dashboard, okay? So this is for the dashboards, and this is for the control, okay? And this is for the cover of the dashboard, okay? Okay?
Okay.
Okay? Very good. Okay, first step, once you remove everything, let's do the back part first. First move is make a smile. Hey, yeah. And the second move, remove the Allen screw. Lefty loosey and righty tighty. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay. Remember always, lefty loosey, righty tighty. Can you say it with me? 5, 6, 7, 8. Lefty loosey, righty tighty.
Right.
There you go. Okay, that is the universal rule, okay? There you go. You remove this, align the tail light. There you go, and then put it again. It's pretty simple, my friends. Yes, my friend, how are you?
Mommy.
You like mommy?
Righty tighty, lefty loosey.
You can see the back part is done. The tail light is installed. Am I right, my friend? Am I right? Okay. Next step is loosen up the Allen bolt and place it forward like that. Just like that, my friend. Grab the handlebar and place it there. Just shoot it and put it inside. Step is grab that and place it here. Okay, please follow the step. Very good. There's a righty tighty. Let's go. Let's do some righty tighty. Next step is use your eyes and align it to the middle. Okay. Before you tighten this one, align to the tires. Okay. So just righty-tighty these two bolts and just align the light again at the center. Is it center, boy? Yeah. Boy, is it center? Why?
Hindi pa sir center oh.
Eh, speak in English. Okay. Please center. Just use your eyes. It should be centered with the wheel, okay? Make sure to take your time with this one because it's very good to be centered. This one check and this one check. Okay. That one, okay? Just tighten that, okay? Tighten this. Step is the installation of this one. For information, the placements are like that, okay? Just put it in. The brackets are very stretchable. And we have this one. You can place the bolt and nut inside. Am I right? Okay. The smaller bolt and nut, it goes right here. Okay? There you go. Just put the nut at the back side. And righty-tighty again. This is for the dashboard, okay? We have 2 holes. Just put the bolt and nut there. The nut, and just put it back here. Okay. Just like that, my friends. Next step is put the sun cover for the dashboard. Just stretch it till it fits. Very nicely done. Okay, we have a last step remaining for the axle caps. This is pretty easy to install. You know what I mean here? Again. It's pretty straightforward, my friends. Then lastly, don't forget to remove the speed limiter found below the controllers, okay? Just like that, my friend. The one at the right side. Lastly, the charger has been tested. Red means charging. Dynamic lima is fully assembled. Let's test the features before putting it inside the box.
Alright guys, so thank you for watching our video. Kung interested kayo bumili, ito yung price list natin as of today. So ito yung date today, tapos ito ang price list natin. Yan yung stock on hand as of this date, no? Ngayon, kung interested kayo bumili, pwede nyo ako message personally. Yung Facebook link ko nasa description below. Tapos, yung shop link namin, andyan din sa baba. Tingnan nyo na yung description natin. And if interested kayo manood ng iba pa naming videos, pwede nyo click yung dalawang to. Pili kayo dyan. Ayan. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Ayan, so, tayo maglusunan. Manood lang kayo na manood. And aviate away.